everybody, it's Eric with Eric's Garage AZ coming at you, and today you have an opportunity to check out a really very cool car show, the Oasis radio car show, featuring none other than the freaking Temptations. Muscle cars, customs, all sorts of cool stuff put on by the queen of car shows herself, Nancy Perry of Nancy Perry Productions. Enjoy. All right, so if you recall, I did that video of doing some, watching the guy do some spray paint on a blue car. Well, this is that car that we shot. So I'm gonna do the before again, show that paint job again. Get an opportunity to videotape these guys painting this car right here. It's an older El Camino, and they're gonna go with a really cool, pretty blue in this car. They're gonna paint it, and then let it dry, and then they're gonna clear coat it. So stay tuned for that. Now the car's out here. It's presentable, but they told me they have some still buff and whatnot work to do on it, which is cool, but the color is just like, the color just freaking pops. Look at this. And I remember doing all this stuff with them, pulling the hose out of the way. Remember, bitches, drive it like you stole it. Y'all, wave, man. This is my buddy's Beaver Stripes here. Now, what is it that you guys do again? You do graphics, but what else?
We sell all your detail supplies.
Okay, detail supplies like your waxes.
Anti-static.
Okay,
waxes,
cool.
Polishes.
All right.
Buffing supplies, pads.
All right. Now, you also do graphic design. You're the graphic design guy, right?
Graphic designs. We do pinstripes. We do racing stripes. We do RVs and semi-trucks.
Okay. Now you did my show board, right?
Yes.
That was pretty cool. So we do show boards and then
a bunch of graphic stuff.
And then
banners.
All sorts of stuff. All right. So wave. Love you guys. See ya. The Stoner Crew, what's up?
Each day through my window, I watch her as she passes by. There goes my babe, I say to myself, you're such a lucky guy. Yeah. Oh no, to have a girl like her is truly a dream come true. No, out of all the fellas in the world, she belongs to you.
Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more right here on Eric's Garage AZ.